Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now in this video I will be showing you guys how I got this hairstyle. I'll be showing you how I styled this hair, also how I did the 2 braids, and I'll be also telling you guys more details on the hair, where the hair is from, the inches of the hair, the density, the type of lace, and you know, the nitty-gritty of it all. But before we go anywhere, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. Also, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up so YouTube kind of knows that you like this video. But without further ado, let's just jump right into this video. Also, this video is a little bit different, but you guys will see what I mean when I say it's a little bit different, okay?
Again.
Hold up. Show your little body. Show my little body. Show you got the body.
So I just wanted to add a clip of how the wig came straight out of the box. It is a 24-inch wig, straight. It came colored, 180% density, a transparent lace. They sent me this headband. They sent me mink lash. They also sent me their cards, which every company sends, and they also sent me wig caps. So yeah, this is how it came directly out of the box. Just wanted to show you guys how the packaging is and how the wig came. And now that you guys see this, I'm gonna let you guys just get to the video. Will be on Vshow here, which is this hair company. Now I will not be starting the video as yet. I will be starting the video at 9 o'clock. It's now 8:38, but I wanted to do a quick intro for YouTube. This company wanted me to do a live video for this install. This is my first time going live with an install, guys, like fully from the drum install. So I did my ball cap method offline already because I didn't want, you know, the time to take up too much, because you know Instagram only gives you like an hour to do the install, so that's why it's already done. But yeah, I will be going live on their Instagram at 9 o'clock to do the install of the hair. And this is the hair, by the way. You guys saw it first. This is the hair. Now, so I am going to be, maybe I'll probably just do the install on Instagram, but the styling of the hair I'll probably do it on YouTube, so finish it on YouTube. Depends. If I see that I have more time on Instagram, then I'll probably do the styling and everything on Instagram. But if I realize that I won't have enough time to do it, then I'll probably just install it straight without anything, you know, and then finish off on YouTube. But we'll know when it's time. So for now, I'll be waiting like for 20 more minutes, and then I'm gonna start back the video. Okay, yeah. Okay, so like the fool I am, I started the live without actually starting my camera, so I did not turn my camera on for the initial starting of the video. But yes, right now all I'm doing is just spraying the lace with some even tinted lace spray in the color light brown, and then obviously fit the wig on my head, yada 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 yada. Okay, so I was thinking that maybe I won't let you guys sit and listen to the live, because like it's kind of long, and if I should let you guys listen to the whole live, then this video will be too long. So yeah, I'm gonna just speed it up so you guys you guys will not be hearing me when I'm talking to the live, because this video will be sped up, so the process and the length of the video is a little bit shorter, because not everybody wants to you know, watch an hour and 18 minutes long of a hair video. So yeah, long story short, I'm gonna be speeding up the video, so you guys will not be hearing me while I'm talking to the live. But yeah, you get the drift. You get the drift. Yeah. just now I was on live, but the thing, I don't know what happened, so I'm back with my YouTube family. Guys, you know what's so funny? I can easily do videos when no one's looking. So like I could do my YouTube videos or whatever because nobody's like physically here, right? But when it's time to do like a YouTube live, I get so timid. So for my baby hairs, I'm only gonna do like right here. So guys, I ain't going to lie, right here did not really come out the way I wanted it to. Like, I wanted the twists to be a little bit tighter, but every time I would twist one and then do the next one, the one that I did before would start coming out, and then the one that I did before would kind of get like loose. And then when I let go of the last one that I did and go back to the first one that I did, then the last one that I did would get loose. So I was just like, oh my gosh, what do I do? So this was pretty much a hot mess in a way. It did not come out the way that I wanted it to. I kept going over it until one point I'm just like, I don't know what to do. So I started even putting the one that I did in my mouth so it could like stay tight, but it didn't really stay tight. At the end of the day, like, I still had to finesse it in a way. But yeah, if you guys have any tips in how I can do this, I know if I did like cornrows or whatever, I know it would have stayed because it's cornrows, so I could have easily, like, you know, did the cornrows and then braided the ends, so it would have stayed. But because it's twist, it kept unraveling, so it was just like, oh my gosh. But yeah, long story short, it did not really come out the way that I wanted it to. Like, the back was a little bit slack or loose, but you know, I finessed it pretty much. So I'm going to curl the ends of it, but I won't be doing any like, not like uniform curls. I'm probably just gonna do like some loose curls so it's a little bit like just wavy at the ends pretty much. So this is the final look. This is how it's looking with the curls. I kind of like it better with the curls. I did saw Beauty Via Jalea, I think that's her name. I did saw her with this hairstyle, and I decided that I was going to try it, and it's very cute. Like, it's a very cute hairstyle. The only thing is, I know like my twist, this one is better than this one, but it's because I'm right-handed, so you know, it kind of felt weird when I was doing it on this side. But overall, I like this hairstyle. It's very cute. If you decide to try it, then let me know. Yeah, thank you Vshow Hair for sending me this wig. I love it. It's actually a cute hairstyle. And I was gonna change my top for the outro, but I feel like my top kind of looks like a school top. I don't know why it's like a school sweater, and this almost looks like a school hairstyle. I don't know. But yes, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next